Math Day, Great Day. Math Lead learners, welcome to Mathematics Lead channel, where we turn your math worry into mastery. I'm Sir Chris, and together, let us have fun while learning. But before we start our lesson for today, I want to ask all of you, if okay, say yeah. If not, say na. Okay, how's your day? Good. Now, here's our learning objectives for today. For today's lesson, you should be able to first, identify patterns and determine the next terms in a sequence. Second, solve problems involving sequences such that arithmetic, geometric, and Fibonacci sequences. Third one is show appreciation for patterns in real-life situation by participating activity and have you read the apply formulas to solve sequence-related problems. Okay, who are excited to learn and encounter an example with a twist? You, and you? Yeah, all of you. Very good. Here's our engaging activity. Sequence scavenger hunt. First, find the next term in sequence 2, 5, 8, and 11. Alright, the answer is 14. Very good. Second one is find the next term in the sequence 2, 6, 18, and 54. Alright, the answer is 16. Very good. Last engaging activity is find the 8th term of the Fibonacci sequence. Sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. Alright, the answer is 21. Very good. Alright, to have some knowledge about solving problems involving sequences, let's move to our more activity to discuss. Okay, let's proceed to our activating knowledge. Let's start with arithmetic sequence. First question is, a gym membership fee increases by 50 pesos every month. The first month cost 500 pesos. How much will you pay on the 10th month? Our formula is an equal a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So our given is a sub 1 equals 500, our d is 50, and our n is 10. So our solution is a sub 10 equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, which is 500 plus 9 times 50. So our final answer is 950 pesos. And our next example is from geometric sequence. A bacteria culture doubles every hour. If there are 500 bacteria at the start, this is the question. How many will there be after 6 hours? This is our formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. And our given is a sub 1 equals 500, our r is 2, and n is 6. So, here's our solution. A sub 6 equal 500 times 2 raised to 5 equals 500 times 32 equals 16,000. Alright, very good. There will be 16,000 bacteria after 6 hours. And our last example is from Fibonacci sequence. A plant grows new leaves following a Fibonacci pattern. The plant has one leaf in week 1 and one leaf in week 2. If the number of leaves follows the Fibonacci sequence, how many leaves will it have in week 7? And the formula of Fibonacci sequence is f sub n equals f sub n minus 1 plus f sub n minus 2. And our given is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. And to get the sequence, we need to add 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5, and to get the Next sequence is, since ang hinahanap natin ay week 7, we need to add again the 5 and 8, which is 13. So, our week 7 is 13 leaves. Okay, now, since I think you mastered solving problems involving sequence such that arithmetic, geometric, and Fibonacci sequence, now, it's your turn to apply what you learned. Alright, let's proceed to our developing competencies. First question. Crisel starts a small business and plans to increase her daily sales by 5 items every week. In the first week, she sells 20 items. How many items will she sell in the 8 weeks? Very good. Crisel will sell 55 items in the 8 weeks. Number 2. A population in Chaong is growing by 5% every year. If the current population is 500,000, what will be the population in 4 years? Nice! Very good! The population in 4 years will be approximately 607,753. Okay, our last question is, a tree grows new branches following a Fibonacci pattern. The tree had 4 branches in month 1 and 4 branches in month 2. If the number of branches follows the Fibonacci sequence, how many branches will have in month 8? Alright, very good. The tree will have 84 branches in month 8. Okay, you got it right. Very good. Math Lead Learners, today you discovered how sequence work and how patterns help us to solve problems. Remember, math becomes mastery when you explore, discover, and enjoy learning. This is Sir Chris, and once again, thank you for watching the Mathematics Lead channel, where we turn your math worry into mastery. See you on next lesson.